Standard First. Subject English. Chapter How are you? Hi children. Today we are going to learn how to express your feelings. Let's talk about Priya. How are you, Priya? I'm fine. Priya breaks up a cup. I'm sad. Children, when you do something wrong, you feel sad. Priya climbs a hill. I'm tired. When you walk or climb for a long time, you are tired. Priya gets a bicycle. I'm happy. Children, when you get something which you want, you feel happy. Priya's friend pushes her. I'm angry. Children, when someone hurts you, you are angry. Priya has to go out in the dark. I'm scared. When you are afraid of something, you feel scared. Priya watches TV at night. I'm sleepy. We feel sleepy at night. Now let's see some expressions and guess how they are feeling. How's Priya feeling? She's feeling sad. She is sad. How's Sumit? He's happy. How's Rohan? He's angry. Very good, children. Keep on practicing such simple English sentences with your friends.